Hi, welcome to day 2 of 5 days of Easter 2022 challenge between challenge of DearJulieJulie and CaraBrandonCreations. And I'm Darlene of Darlene's Junk Journals and More, and I'm glad you stopped by to see what I've made of these 2 pages. This is the page that we're working with today from DearJulieJulie, and it's a beautiful scrapbooking page from a scrapbook that she has in her collection, and these beautiful images and the mother and little girl feeding the rabbits, and these 2 little images that look like eggs, and this beautiful band. And this is the page that we are working with today from Cara, and it is 3 file folders, and it is can be used for anything, but they have these beautiful bunny images on them, 4 eggs and 3 word tags. And so let's get started. So for what I did today, this is what I had done on day 1. So I'll go back and watch my day 1 and see that. And for day 2, I took Cara's images, and I did put them on an envelope, and made them a little pocket here. So it's a double pocket actually. There's a pocket here and a pocket here, and this is a little tag spot for one of Cara's. This is from one of her other kits, and so are these. And this is from Cara's as well. And then this is more, and this is from paper from DearJulieJulie, and so is this, and this is from another collection. And I use this to close that off. And then this is from DearJulieJulie, and this is from her music paper. So I have that to go in here, as well as, actually that was supposed to go on this one. Oh, that one right there. And then I have this little girl that I put in front of this bunny with blessings, and inside I have Julie's that paper that I added some images from Cara's, and added some paper napkin that I had decoupaged and kind of did it rough so it looks old, and did some of the eggs that look like jelly beans. And this has got the word blessings there, and then used the cottontail from Cara's other kit, and added the 2 children from Julie's, and this little bunny. And then on the back of it, this is actually, it got a spot here where you can add 2. This is the pet rabbits. I didn't want to add anything more to this because of it sliding in and out, it's too easy to get stuff caught. And so that goes back in here also. At least I thought it did. Yeah. That goes in. Yeah, that goes in that one, and this one goes in that one. So, like so. And so that's that part. And then I wanted to show you, I didn't get this done in time to be uploaded, but this, oh, first of all, I want to show you these. These are the other cards that I made for, maybe these were, goodness, getting ahead of myself here. Maybe this big one probably wasn't supposed to be going in there. It's to go somewhere else. Okay, these little cards were supposed to go in there. This is the a little bird that I put on here, and the this is Happy Easter and the little bunny, and those going back in here. Sorry, I'm kind of out of it. If you can't figure that out already, kind of in a fiber fog today. And then I took this little bunny and put it up on, this was a tag that I got from Dollar Tree, and then I added paper to both sides of it, and that just slips in there too. And that could actually be an ornament or anything. This is still going to be covered with paper, and this was made to go in here. This one, so this goes in this. There we go. Now, okay, so then this goes here. This is going to flip into there, and it's still going to be covered with something. And I got my ties made for that, and actually got it mounted into the book. Okay, so now I wanted to show you this too. Hopefully I'm still in frame. I think I am, hopefully. This is the double Dutch doors that I made for the mini challenge in DearJulieJulie's Facebook group, and it is I used the same papers as today's, so I wanted to show you this. This is the first door, and I put journaling space on here and journaling space on here. That I did all the required elements, I just didn't get it posted. Excuse me, I'm stretching my voice today. And just put some extra journaling space in here. I love using clear packaging for making space to add journaling, so that when you take it out, you can still see what's behind it. And so that's one thing I've learned from Julie, and I do it a lot. And I save all my clear packaging now. And then just these little cards, and some more little cards, and little chicks talking to the birds, and the bunny. Some more writing space, and it's just springtime's flowers bloom and grow sunshine. And then this just says I love flowers. So it's very simple. And I'd had problems with my button breaking off when I tried to put the string on, so I ended up having to use dental floss for my my string on the top, because I couldn't get anything else to go under it that wouldn't break, because it was so fragile. And so I ended up having my tie at the bottom, and my tie has a little bunny and a little airplane for the ends, for the tie ends. And to me, the symbolism of that is the first thing we notice when we live by a lake, and we have a lot of people that have their own planes, and we live by the Okanagan Lake, famous for the Ogopogo. So if you want to look up our lake, Uh, anyway, the first sign of spring to us is hearing all the little planes starting up again. A lot of them don't go as much in the winter, and because of the low cloud cover. And the other one's a little bunny. So that is my mini challenge, and I did get it finished, but it wasn't on time. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and I will be posting more, and I will see you on Friday with the next installment of day 3 of Cara Brandon and Dear Julie Julie's 5 Days of Easter. Bye now.